Yippity-da! Oh, hey guys, it's me, Sean, playing Roblox Fucking Feud. Today I'm back with another video, and like I said, I'm getting too hyped up by TT Doe talked to me about. Well, that's not the point. I'm with my daughter today, my dumb daughter, sadly. It's pretty sad. But yeah, her mom's about to come pick her up. Donut Girl, it's been a hard 14 years. I don't know. Well, it was good. 7 or 8 years of it. Well, not 8 years, but like 13 years. I don't even know. It's been so long these days, but I came out onto the skating rink. I'm gonna go up to the mountains today. The wind is kind of having a, I don't know. It looks pretty good from this location right here. What's wrong? Nothing. I mean, it's just good. Okay? And who keeps leaving the roof down? Closed roof. Wow. Closed roof. I don't want to get in the back. I gotta drive. I want to drive up the mountain. I'm used to driving up mountains. Get in the second seat. Get in the passenger. Why are you sitting in the back seat? Maybe if our dumb daughter moved. Maybe then you can have it. You're not having that good of a Christmas, everybody. And the roof's not closing. My vehicle's broke. This vehicle costs more than our house. And it's broke. So, I don't even know anymore. But yeah. Just leave fall. Let's leave up on the mountains. Whoa. No, we are driving up here. This car is made for driving up mountains. If it's not... Okay, I think I broke my vehicle. It's worth more than... Are you okay? Are you okay? You don't look too good. Donut Girl died right in front of my eyes. Why? My vehicle. I'm done. Ah! Ow! 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 Are you okay, Donut Girl? We gotta get up to the top. I don't even know what's going on now. That was too crazy. Are you okay? Are you okay? Yes or no? You need to talk to me. Can you not talk anymore? I gotta make you talk? Okay, you better be good. You scared me there after you flew off the mountain. You did the helicopter. That's what I call that one. I call that one the helicopter. That's the helicopter noise. Where'd you go? I don't know. I kind of sweat down, kind of knocked me out a little bit. You know me and my sleeping. Oh, I don't know what happened. But I don't know. I don't see anybody up here anymore. Did they leave me? Oh, there you are. How long have you been up here in the cold? How long have you been up here in the cold? And that's why I say she's stupid. Well, I need to get off of this place. The wind's not looking too good.